In front of me is OnePlus Pad Lite LTE, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard's theme. First of all, you need to launch your keyboard. This OnePlus has Gboard, so you don't need to download any special app to continue. Now click on this icon of a color palette at the top of your Gboard and pick any of those themes by clicking on the best one for you. Quick tip, use those little icons at the top right corners of each section to access even more themes. After picking a perfect one and clicking on it, use this switcher next to keyboarders to switch them off or on. Then tap on Apply button and wait. As you can see, after a couple of seconds, theme of my keyboard has changed. But now my favorite part, which is customizing your keyboard. Use the same icon of a color palette, and this time tap on this plus under my themes. That's something I do on every device I'm testing just to make it a little bit more colorful. Tap on your favorite picture, pinch it to scale, drag it to move, and tap on next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right. Hit done. Manage keyboarders and tap on apply. As you can see, this time theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. If you want to access it in the future, go back to the same settings and click on any of your keyboards here to manage it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!